right now. You're probably watching this in a nice, cool room, but have you ever wondered, what did people do before air conditioners? Today, we're taking a journey from the humble hand fan to the powerful AC, and trust me, you'll never look at that cold breeze the same way again. Thousands of years ago, there was no electricity, no machines, nothing but heat. So what did people do? In ancient Egypt, servants would wave giant palm leaves to cool the pharaohs. In China and Japan, the folding fan was more than just art, it was survival in the summer. And here's the fun part. These fans weren't just for cooling. They were symbols of power, fashion, and even tools for flirting. Imagine you're in the 1600s, giving someone a secret look, all hidden behind a fan. As time moved on, people got creative. In the 1800s, inventors started making fans with cranks and pulleys. Then came the steam-powered fans. Imagine a giant, noisy machine blowing air in a factory. By the late 1800s, electricity changed everything. The electric fan, invented by Schuyler Wheeler in 1882, was a game-changer. Suddenly, homes, offices, and shops could enjoy a cool breeze at the push of a button. And if you've ever had your hair blown all over the place by a fan, you know the feeling. Now here's where things get really cool, literally. In 1902, a young engineer named Willis Carrier was asked to solve a printing factory's humidity problem. His invention didn't just dry the air, it cooled it. Boom! The first modern air conditioner was born. At first, it was only for factories, theaters, and rich hotels. But by the 1950s, AC units started appearing in homes, changing the way we live forever. Think about it. No AC means no comfortable summer nights, no shopping malls in July, and probably no YouTube binging without sweating. Here's a secret. Even today, your AC and your fan are best friends. The AC cools the air, but the fan spreads it around, making the room feel cooler without using extra energy. That's why smart people like you, winking face, use both. Lower electricity bills, more comfort. So next time you turn on your AC or switch on a fan, remember, you're part of a story that's thousands of years old. And now I want to know, do you prefer the steady hum of a fan or the icy blast of an AC? Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay cool.